Apparently, it was a massive explosion in Detroit. It says that the local vape shop exploded and canisters and switchblades went flying everywhere. It was cutting people's ass from miles away. I made that last part up. It was a big ass explosion though. So as of now, they're saying one is dead, one injured. A few days ago, we talked about how Texas had about 1.2 million acres scorched. On top of that, had a salvage yard southwest of Dallas got burned up. A whole lot of shit burning out there. Y'all be safe. Because I may not know everything, but one thing I know for sure, some people about to croak.